Good morning, friends. Today we have take a review for the syllabus of one of the important topic. One of the subject, that is Introduction to Management Accounting. Since 11th standard, you have to know the concept, term, and definition of accounting, as well as you have already aware about the various methods, techniques used in accounting system. Here we have learned some of the important techniques of accounting which are mostly benefited towards the management, and hence management accounting is one of the separate branch of accounting which is developed for involving some of the important techniques and tools basically which are used in accounting, by which management can get the important and useful information which is utilized for taking various managerial decisions. Now we have to take a short review for the syllabus of this subject. The first topic of management accounting is to be known as Introduction to Management Accounting. This topic is divided into two subtopics. First subtopic is known as Introduction to Management Accounting, and the contents of this topic are meaning, nature, scope, functions, decision-making process, financial accounting versus management accounting. Subtopic second is related to analysis and interpretation of financial statements. Under this topic, the contents are involved study of balance sheet and income statement in vertical form, which is suitable for analysis, relationship between items in balance sheet and revenue statement, tools of analysis of financial statement known as trend analysis, comparative statement, common size statements. A special note is given at the end of this topic for students. Problems should be based on trend analysis, and also short problems should be asked on comparative and common size statement. Second one of the topic is known as ratio analysis and interpretation. This is to be based on vertical form of financial statements, meaning classification, due point chart, advantages and limitations. This topic is also divided into three subtopics, and the first subtopic is to be known as a balance sheet ratios. Under balance sheet ratios, the ratios are to be covered: current ratio, liquid ratio, stock working capital ratio, proprietary ratio, debt equity ratio, and capital gearing ratio. Second subtopic is to be known as revenue statement ratios, in which all the ratios related to revenue statement are to be covered, and these ratios are known as gross profit ratio, various expenses ratios, operating ratio, net profit ratio, net operating profit ratio, and stock turnover ratio. Subtopic C is related to combined as well as inter-statement ratios. Under this topic, the ratios are to be covered: return on capital employed, including long-term borrowing, return on proprietary funds, that is shareholder funds and preference share capital, return on equity capital ratio, dividend payout ratio, debt service ratio, debtors turnover ratio, creditors turnover ratio. The third topic is related to working capital management, and this topic is on practical base. The topic is also to be divided into three subtopics to be known as concept, nature of working capital, planning of working capital, estimation, projection of working capital, requirement in case of trading and manufacturing companies, and operating cycle. And fourth topic is related to capital budgeting. This topic is divided into four subtopics. The first topic is related to introduction. The second subtopic is related to the classification of capital budgeting projects. Third one is related to capital budgeting processes. And fourth is related to capital budgeting techniques. Under this topic, some of the important techniques of capital budgeting are involved. These techniques are known as payback period, accounting rate of return, net present value, the profitability index, and discounted payback period, excluding calculation of cash flow. For study purpose, this is the syllabus for the subject of Introduction to Management Accounting. Either management accounting is a separate subject and this is the separate branch of accounting, but do not worry, either the techniques are different, but the basic procedure as well as the accounting rules are remain same, which are generally used in financial accounting. Now, question paper pattern for this subject is shortly different in relation to other subjects. This is the practical subject. Therefore, in question paper, mostly the questions are asked on practical base. Total marks are allotted in question paper for this subject are 100 and maximum duration is of 3 hours. 5 questions to be set in the question paper and all questions are compulsory. Each question is carrying 20 marks. Question number 1 is related to objective nature questions, which is divided into 2 parts. Basically, 12 questions may be asked in each of the sub questions and students can be answered any 10 out of 12. The objective questions may be based on multiple choice questions, true or false statements, fill in the blanks, or match the column. Question number 2 is based on practical question for 20 marks. An internal option is given for the same questions, also 20 marks. By the same way, question number 3rd and 4th is related to practical base on various topics, and for each question, internal option is given for 20 marks. Question number 5th is related to theory question. The theory question may be again asked for 10 marks each. 2 theory questions may be asked. And again, the internal option is given for question number 5 by way of short notes. In short notes, 6 notes may be given and to be asked answer for any 4 notes, 5 marks carrying for each note. The practical questions of 20 marks may be divided into 2 sub-questions of 10 marks each. Now this is the syllabus and question paper pattern for the subject of Introduction to Management Accounting. For study purpose, as per syllabus, various textbooks are to be available, as well as reference books are also available in the library. But for time being, these books are not available in the current situation. Therefore, just for time being, I will provide video lectures to you and try to understand the concept used in Introduction to Management Accounting, as well as also we see how the practical problems are to be solved under each of the topic. Do not worry about the syllabus. I will try to complete the syllabus in time, and where the situation is normal, then you can take books from the library, as well as the library department will be try to make available the books of accounting by way of digital format. Thank you very much.